Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nurjoza Fitriani and I will be the first speaker here in the affirmation argument. Today, we fully support the motion that a national lockdown shall be implemented in Indonesia to prevent COVID-19. Let me start with our definition and framework. A national lockdown refers to a government-mandated restriction across to entry country where non-essential activity are temporarily suspended and people are required to stay at home, except for urgent matters such as health or food access. The purpose is to break the chain of virus transmission, especially during period of high infectious rate. I strongly agree that lockdown should be applied national in Indonesia to prevent the spread of COVID-19. There are three main reasons for this. First, let's look at the data. According to the Indonesia Ministry of Health and WHO report from early 2020, Indonesia once experienced a daily peak of more than 15,000 new COVID-19 cases per day. In regions where local lockdown or PSBB were enforced strictly, such as DKI Jakarta in 2020, the spread of COVID-19 was significantly reduced. For example, Jakarta saw a decrease in transmission rate from 1.4 to below 1 within 3 weeks of lockdown enforcement. This shows that lockdown work when implemented seriously. Second, a national lockdown ensures consistency. Without a nation with policy, different regions might apply different rules, which lead to confusion and migration between areas, defeating the purpose of local lockdown. A national lockdown eliminates this loophole and break the chain of transmission more effectively. Third, we must remember that health must come first. The economic impact is real, but letting the virus spread uncontrolled lead to overwhelmed hospital, loss of life, and larger recovery period, which in turn hurt an economic even more. A short state national lockdown could save thousands of lives and allow faster long-term economic recovery. This approach has worked in countries like New Zealand and Vietnam, where early and strict lockdown helped them return to near normal life faster than others. In conclusion, I strongly believe that a national lockdown is necessary and effective in preventing the spread of COVID-19 in Indonesia. It protects life, supports the healthcare system, and creates the foundation for long-term recovery. Thank you.